I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Lotion. Apply to clean, dry skin using just a pea-sized amount for the face. Gently press the product into the skin with fingertips, focusing on dry or textured areas. Allow absorption for a minute before layering sunscreen or makeup. Use morning and night for best results, and store the bottle in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Start with a fresh, washed face and hands to prevent contamination. Dispense a pea-sized amount and warm it between your fingertips. Apply in gentle upward motions, patting the serum into the skin until it disappears. Focus on cheeks, forehead, and any dry patches. Allow at least 1 minute for absorption before layering moisturizer or sunscreen. Use consistent morning and night application to see gradual improvements in texture and hydration. If you experience slight stickiness, give the lotion extra time to absorb or use a smaller amount next time. For oily skin, apply only to dry patches and avoid the T-zone, or mix 1 drop into your moisturizer. If you notice redness or prolonged irritation, stop use and consult a dermatologist. Consistent, gentle application yields the best results, and layering thin products prevents pilling and improves overall skin feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.